Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw two cute ice creams that are best friends. Yay!
Yay!
Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big heart shape right in the middle of the paper. This heart will show how much our ice creams love each other. Now, let's draw two ice cream bars. Start with a rectangle shape under each side of the heart. Now, at the bottom, add a small handle for each ice cream stick. Draw wavy lines at the top part of each ice cream to show the melting ice cream part. Now it's time to make them look adorable. Let's draw two cute eyes and a smiley mouth on each ice cream. To make it even more lovely, draw little hearts all around the ice creams. They're spreading love everywhere. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens or markers and let's begin coloring. Pink color.
Wow!
Blue color. Brown color. Red color. Dark pink color. That looks so sweet and beautiful. Well done, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring these cute ice cream friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.